know. I know. Look at this is the window. That is snow. This is just sad. Of course, the dogs want to go out. Can't do it. Just can't do it. That's the snow that's right outside my window. There's the top. There's even one above it. This is just sad. I am snowed in. You guys are screwed. Oh, I think the dogs will be staying in. I have to say. Wow, maybe it's better with no light. There's the full effect. That's my patio door in the kitchen. My dogs are pissed. Yeah, well, so am I. I can't get out. That's just, I barely could get that door to stop icing. Okay, it's not even 9:30. This is supposed to go on until tomorrow afternoon. It's called Buried Alive. I know, Victor, but we're together. Oh, why not? Just put my head out the front door for a second. That's the street. Let me turn the light off. That's 9:20. Why am I opening the door? Jeannie, I'm trying to see your house. Okay, this is insane. I don't know. Okay.